Hey, it's Paul from Carver Kings. We're back to working on our shop this week, and just wanted to give you an update on it. We're basically working upstairs in the upper level of the container, and we're cutting out the rest of the walls. So we got about, I don't know, 70 feet of wall because we got to cut out both sides. And basically we're going to use a 7-inch disc grinder with a fiber bit on it to cut the bottom to reach through all the way through, and then on the walls we're just using a 4.5-inch 3/16 fiber blades. So should be fun cutting out the wall. So here's what we did. Check it out. So the walls are out. Yeah. Jacob and I crushed it yesterday and today. We got almost 80 feet of wall cut out. There's all the panels. We had to cut out both sides of the walls. So onward and upward. Next phase, we got to get spray foam insulation put in between here. Then get those weld joints or cut joints all sanded down, cut down, and then frame up the walls, cut in the windows, and then spray foam insulate. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. It's sure exciting getting those walls all cut out. It's shop's moving along finally, and hey, thanks for following along. We appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified, and check out some of our other videos.